In this video, I am going to guide you with three step-by-step methods that will unleash the full potential of MidJourney with unlimited queries and mind-blowing graphics. But before we dive in, here is a small favor to ask. Drop a thumb up on this video and hit that subscribe button. By doing so, you will be connected to a world of mind-bending AI-related videos, tips, tricks, and even ingenious way to earn with AI. Let's move. Method number one. First, just let me show that I am out of free queries in MidJourney. Now you know that I am out, so what to do to get more free queries? As I am out of query, now you just have to follow the exact steps that I am going to tell you. Click on the Explore. Now, write blue below. As you can see on the screen, write blue below and hit enter. Now click on it and search for rooms. Drag it down from the left side and go for rookies. Rookie. You can join any room. And here we are. Let's try a command. I have speeded up this process so that your time might not be wasted. And let's see the result. I entered the command day in paradise, and as you can see, it has opened the picture. You can upscale it, you can variate it, you can download it as much you like. So this was the method number one. You have to click on discover, write blue below, and join the rookie room. So here we are. Now let's go to method number two. Method number two is very interesting. Suppose you ran out of queries at blue below. Now, by the way, I am using it for many days and it's still working. So you are out of queries for blue below 2, and here comes the method number 2. But first, the disclaimer. In this method, you do not need any new mail or fake email. I will show you how you can use the exact same mail that you used previously to create your MidJourney account. Here is a pro tip. Suppose your email is xyz@gmail.com. Now add +1 or +2 or any figure you want, and voila, this is your new email. You have to write it xyz +1 @gmail.com or +2 @gmail.com, and in this way you can create unlimited Gmail account. So now we are going to create another account with MidJourney. Just follow my steps. Log out from your previous account, but it is not necessary. I am going to demonstrate a complete process in which I do not log out from previous account. So let's start. As you can see that I have applied +1 @Gmail account. So now you have to go to incognito mode. As you can see, I am in incognito mode, and here I am creating another account. I click on the register and create an account. Process started. So fill in the form, give any date of birth, and clear the captcha. Reports, click on the reports. Authorize it. Wait for a few seconds. And now go to your Gmail and verify the account. Verify email or Discord. Copy it. Make sure you copy it and open it in the incognito browser. Paste it, hit run. Just follow my steps. Make sure you copy it and paste it in incognito mode. So email has been verified. There are many options. You can click on any. You can create your own, and you can join any. It's totally your choice. Instead of creating my own, I can join any other server. So click on the create. Click on it. Blue Willow. Now make sure you are in the Blue Willow server and now click on the join Blue Willow. These are the necessary steps. If you miss any step, you might not be able to use free services of MidJourney. Click on English language or whatever language you have. Click on yes, I understand to use subscription after trial and click on finish. This server is totally free. It's asked as much money we can give. It's on donation. Now join any room. And try to give a command. Write a prompt. I suggest you that please focus on the command so that you can verify that the server is creating the very thing that we ordered it, and so that we can recheck it that I am not bluffing you, as many videos on YouTube they are bluffing or they are not delivering what they promise. So focus on the highlighted area. It has accepted our command, and let's see the result. A masked man in office. A man wearing black mask, but there is no mask. I think there might be fault in the command. I asked to create a man in mask in office setting. Although the result is good, but where is the mask? So let me check the command again. There might be mistake in the command, and as you can see that I misspell the mask, and also so don't worry. So this is the result. And here I hit an idea that why not run both MidJourneys at the same time. I have two windows, one normal window and another is in an incognito mode, and I will try to run at the same time. So this is the old account and it's also working. So let me get back to the old account. I think I should refresh it, select it and hit enter. Wait for it. Okay. Now join Blue Willow server and join a room, any rookie room. Okay, rookie 20 it is. And again Write the command slash vision. Write the command. Sorry for delay, but every step is necessary. I want you to focus on what I am writing so that you can confirm it, you can pre-check it, that it is generating the right answer. If there is plenty of creator in a room, then you might feel difficult to find your answer. To cope with it, you can check the inbox button. Right upper corner there is inbox button. You can check it. That so come to inbox and click on the jump button, and it will take you to your picture. And I say 25 years man. There is some mistake in MidJourney. I don't know. This person do not seem 25 year. You can use as many account at the same time, as I have demonstrated you that in the same browser I am using two accounts, one in incognito mode and one on normal window. So you can create as much as you want. For method number 3, I want you to focus that the results are not accurate, quite accurate. I command it to give me 25 years old person, but the result is not accurate. So here comes the method number 3. Method number 3. Before you proceed to method number 3, I want you to see these pictures that just created by me. If due to some reason above methods are not working and you are desperate to use MidJourney or AI art, then you can use alternatives. Here I am providing you 3 best alternatives of MidJourney. You can use Leonardo AI, you can use Playground AI, you can use Carry On AI. This is the favorite one, Leonardo AI. I created the samples that I have shown you in this one. It gives 100 free pictures daily. It is very quick, it is more versatile, you have more control, you can use image to image. There are various styles you can follow. This is the best. Leonardo AI, you can use SDXL, you can use reality, absolute reality, Leonardo diffusion, RPG, 3D animation style. You can create 4 to 1 to 8 pictures same time. There are many other options. You can go for Ultra HD. You can use image to image. There are many options. And 100 pictures are more than enough for normal use. Another option is you can use carryon.com. Carryon AI is based on ad revenue and it is totally free. You can run the command and you can check the results. Within a minute, the results displayed by this software, and its results are quite good. Moreover, it gives suggestions too. This is the result of a masked man. In corporate setting, it is showing similar images. Okay, that was quite good. And now you can use the playground AI. Playground AI is another best alternatives, but Leonardo AI is the ultimate choice for myself. I will create detailed videos on these separately. Up till now, if you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe me, and I will see you in the next video. And for the bonus is I am going to create a video about about an AI art based service which gives 1000 free pictures daily. You can create 1000 AI based free pictures daily, and I will share this very soon. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.